Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Ka Office u Block Development Officer ka CNRD Block Umsning kala penlong ya ka jing Rakhe kerpang ya ka Jingdap jong ka sya umau mer bah nyopo Snem bat bala syem ka buru ya ka jingken mau ye ya ka sngi kha ba shis pa san pholai jong riu kraw ka ri India Mahatma Gandhi bala jutib ru kum ka Gandhi Jayanti ya ketika jing Rakhe la penlong ha ka lai tarik risau arjar arpoar ha Office u BDO ha Umsning Hakabala Saki do ba Jason S. Maulong MLA ka Umsning Constituency kumu Kongsan u ADC ka District u ba BJ Kharshandi kumu Sembut Kongsan u Raja Brahma BDO ka CNRD Block Umsning ki Chairperson ka BDMC bat na Umsning Town Dorbar ki Rangba Shnong ki Officer bat ki Nong Trey ka Tei ka Trat Trey Kam Hakaju ka Sngila Pliru yaw mau sa kan mau bala pentemai jong ka Preamble jong ka Riti Senshar ka ri India Ubalashna na duki nyopo Snem menshwa menba ka Umsning block hakatay kapor latip kum ka border area development block bat ka balarim tam.
The first it was known as a revive block. Then to belong na do your independence na do na sorry for the foundation of state in 1972 pat lapin kala ka Umsning CNRD block. Before it was known as a revive block. It was found established in the year 1952, then the government of Assam. It was one of the first 5-year plan, the government of India, the community development program. On the community development program is standing a block, and they have got different structure. They got extension officer, even the medical, health, rural infrastructure, drinking water, agriculture, and all the schemes are implemented from the block. The history will be said by my junior officer. He will be briefing you about the history. As a BDO along the Umsning block, I feel proud to serve here as BDO, and though it is one of the difficult block to walk due to its geographical coverage, the number of villages through, and there are different type of issues that have to be dealt with.
Pipi baro bagani kalong kasni hakabang iyo Rakhe yiki lai benta kawai kalong ka Jingdap nyokusan Snem jong ka Jinglaj Lod jong kani ka ri India ka jongi ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav ka Baar kalong ka Jingdap nyopo Snem jong ka Jingyo ya ka CNRD block hang ni po Umsning nadu ka Arterik Urisau khat khandai spa san puar bat kabalai ka longru uniu Snem u yatingku bat ka Jingdap san po Snem jong ka Jingyo chala ka Bapura jong ka state ka jongi ka Meghalaya te nakaliang ka jongi nakaliang jongi video ibading pet ya ka Roy Kapar hagani ka Than Umsning ka jongi dan nakaliang ka jonga kung project director jong ka DRDA Kamtam nakaliang jong i local MLA jong i bedai nongmi khamat jong ki patba ki badon hang ni po Than Umsning constituency kalong ka jingba kli ka bakhya ba hadu kata-kata na ka benta ka jong i namar balay kata ka objective lani kata ka end result ka jong i ngi kwa hi bani i ba ki patba ka jong i kin like na kata ka jingdok ka jong ki pat kini i ba kandon ka Roy Kapar ha Kishnong, Kitao, ki bahap, hang ni hapo CNRD block.
Don ka ka jingza, ngatay nga sufun ba i-video ngawang ba video ngawang Brahma pe itay tata ngawang. Ngawang ba pek haba nila don hakabor, pibla long video mentala jon mo la jon dap Snem. Ngawang ba ka badong kam Kishnong na ta develop sanan sa. Kung ba yakran men ne mo iba makudoy ba kata ka yeng ka badok PMEY. Balay ka sayay lenti hapo Umsning constituency bagi Kishnong tiba di banyo hok kiyo lo barokhat wala ki day ni kim di kibriu jonga namar nga ngamdan hok man pendo iki ngamdan hok nga jong video isipin i nga takales jong kita ki PMEY ki wan man ta ki awas plus tet uang ba ki kenu kilong yeng ki bayo hok barang kam hok la mi kales ai bet iki ki bonang ni ki bodang ni ngim laban lan ki political party ki paper hinalan liyo kata pada habangi yang pada hang ni kung tao nong mi khmat jong pi ngatrai ba ngampek sidang ini no ba kata kadi kan nongrem ngabang ngatrai bat ngan beteng be hak ta kan nongrem kam teng hak ta kan nongrem ngatrai ki bayadon hang ni ki rong ba sno ki bo fer ki don ki jingja hang ni adong athan ki bo na ka pos ka por so upria sa we hakale yong kini kita ki bamdan ki ying bamdan tenso ngomong ba ngan pek swat ki brio ki jonga mut kita ha mut tangki brio jonga ki bala ban tiap ban dem ki we kim de ban la ban tiap ban dem kata mo pakla